Alright friend, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Tare, and on today's video I want to be showing you how you can process beetroot into powder. First, you want to start by washing it. It comes very dirty, so of course it is only natural that you start by washing this thoroughly till the glowy purple skin is exposed, like what you're seeing on this video right now. Then of course the next thing is to grate it. Choose a grater that will give you a shredded texture. The blue grater was sort of making it too fine and almost puring it, so I switched to another grater that will leave me with a shredded texture. That way drying it will become easier. Then after grating this, you want to put it under the sun. Alright friend, I dried mine for 3 days. It all depends on the weather and wherever you live. That will determine how long you're going to dry.